This is the tutorial video for exercise 1 of lesson 10. First thing you need to do is open up the last file that you were working on. It should be entitled A Complex Table. And what we are going to do first, or what you should do, is save it as exercise number 1, lesson 10. And after you've done that, then I want you to change the alignment of the text in cell 2 to center and the vertical alignment to middle. So we locate cell 2, we align equals center, and v-align, which stands for vertical alignment, equals middle. Next, what I want to do is change the font to Century Gothic. So we need to add a font tag here. The face is equal to Century Gothic. It'll be size 6. Make sure size is spelt right there. Size 6. Close that opening font tag and then do that to it as well. So make it so the text in cell 1 does not display using the non-breaking space code. So if you remember correctly from class, non-breaking space code is ampersand, NB, non-breaking, and then SP space, semicolon. Change the text in cell 2 to read Lethbridge weather. Now we'll change the color of cell 2 to 00FF. So if you can remember correctly, it's done in TD. BG color equals number sign 00FFFF quotation mark. Change the font in cell 2 to appear, the color to appear as that, FF0000. So we do that by going text equals $FF0000. Make the text in cell 5 read 6-day forecast. Six-day forecast. Change the font to Century Gothic and size 4. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to go up. I'm just going to copy that information right there because we can use most of it. We just need to change the size. We also then need to go and close the font tag. Find an image from the web that has a cloud that we can use. So what I'm going to do, go to the web, type in cloud. Once I get some of that, I'm going to type in images on Google so we can find a cloud. Now anyone will do. I'm going to use this one specifically because I like it. I think it's kind of neat. So what you need to do is you need to go ahead and save the image into a directory somewhere, preferably the same directory that this is being saved in. So I'm going to go ahead and do that right now. You do the same, save it in the same spot where this file is. So we're in week 2 and video coding. So Cloud 12 JPEG, that's where I'm going to save it. Okay. We'll go back here. So I've got that, and we want to put it in cell 1. So remember, we go right back to the top here, and we put in image source equals, I believe it was Cloud 12. If you can't remember, go to where you need to go to find it. So that's image source Cloud 12, and then close your tag. Now I want to resize the image to be 100 pixels high by 150 pixels wide. So the way you do that is you just, right after the image, you'd put in height equals 100 and width equals 150. Okay, the coding is a bit messy right now, apologize. So we want to realign the image so it displays in the center in the middle. So what we do here is we go align equals center, v-align equals middle. Next, in cells 6 through 12, change the text to read the days of the week. So going down, here we want Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and finally Saturday. Save it. Align the text that you just put in so the display is at the top in the middle of each cell. So what you do here, align equals top, v-align equals middle. And then what I would suggest is just copying and pasting that into every TD tag. To Saturday. Okay, good. So save that now. Change the font to Century Gothic size 4. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go right up here, take all of this, and I'm going to copy it, and I'm going to insert it right there. Give ourselves some space here. Copy it, insert it right before the word letter of the week. So on mine it's right here, on yours it may be someplace different. Take one of those out, too many there. Then what we want to do is we want to close that font tag. So grab a hold of that closing font tag, put it in there on each one, right after the word for the day of the week. I'm sorry it's a bit tight here on mine. The only reason I had to do this is so the text is big enough for you to see. Save that. That should say top and middle. We've already done that. Next, change the background of the text of the cell, 6-day forecast to match cell 2. So cell 2 was this white text. So copy that. We'll put that in there as well. So we should save it and view it in our browser. And voila, that's what we have so far. Okay. The background in 6-day forecast should be a little bit different. Maybe I haven't added that in yet. Background color equals 00 FF FF. Save that and see what that looks like. There we go. So those are matching now. So there you go for exercise 1.